Today, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI text generator step by step so you can quickly create written content inside Canva without starting from scratch. This is a super helpful feature if you want to generate captions, ideas, drafts, or short pieces of marketing copy in just a few clicks. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look at the left-hand menu and click Canva AI. This is where Canva's built-in artificial intelligence tools are located, and it's the quickest way to start generating text. After you click Canva AI, you'll see a few different options. From here, click the Doc option. This opens a document-style workspace where you can type a prompt and let Canva AI generate written content for you. In this area, you want to describe exactly what you want Canva to write. The more specific you are, the better the result will usually be. For example, you could type something like, write an Instagram caption for a coffee shop. That gives Canva AI a clear task, a clear format, and a clear topic. You can also make your request more detailed if you want a different tone, style, or length. For example, you could ask for a professional caption, a fun caption, a short caption, or even a promotional caption with hashtags. Once you enter your prompt, Canva AI will process it and generate a response for you. After that, review the text carefully and make any edits you need so it matches your brand or your message. If the first result isn't quite right, don't worry. You can refine your prompt and ask Canva AI to rewrite it in a different style, make it shorter, make it more engaging, or tailor it for a specific audience. That's one of the best parts of using AI inside Canva. It helps you brainstorm faster and gives you a strong starting point that you can polish and improve. You can use this same method for all kinds of writing tasks, including social media captions, ad copy, content ideas, blog outlines, product descriptions, and more. So if you're trying to save time and create content more efficiently, Canva AI Text Generator is a really useful tool to learn. And that's how to use Canva AI Text Generator in Canva. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick and easy guide.